back to Bookie and Cookie's Comic Club. Today we will be doing the 2 versions of concentrating. First off, this one that we're doing is kind of like the worried one, except you have to add the angry eyebrows to the worried face. That's sort of like concentrating on doing something, like muscles. That's like concentrating with weightlifting or something. The other concentrating is like concentrating using your brain, like doing a hard math problem, like 11 times 5 minus 20. Which I need to do my working for to figure out. He'll be doing that question. So here he is sitting at his chair doing maths homework. He's got his pencil and everything. Here we are, yes, pencil. And you gotta have your tongue sticking out when you're concentrating, obviously. So here's your maths homework sheet. 5 times 11 minus 20. So I need to figure that out. Okay, 5 times 11 is 55. And 55 minus 20 is 35. The answer's 35. Here we go. You did it. Well done. You got a big tick. And a merit mark. Boom. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to come back for our next How to Draw lesson. Bye!